Hey friends, today's video is going to be a fun video. It's about Ipsy today. If you guys don't know, I won a full year's worth of Ipsy subscription. So I have a lot of products that I need to be getting through. But this video is all about June's Ipsy bag. So if you're interested in seeing all of the stuff that I got from Ipsy, because this is not even all of it, these aren't all the bags, but I kind of try to stuff everything in these bags just to make my room look a little bit cleaner. But if you're interested in seeing all the Ipsy items that I got for free, because I want to give away, let me know in the comments below. I can do that video, but I kind of got bored with doing a once a month video of Ipsy because they weren't really products that I was like really excited for. But this month, it's a different story. Each month, because I want to give away, I get a free Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So I get 5 items in my bag and I get to pick 3 of the items. So this month, I'm really excited, and I just have Ipsy on my phone. They choose 2 items and then I get to choose 3. So the 2 items that and it comes in a bag like this. The 2 items that they chose for this month were the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter and the Benefit Cosmetics Brow Styler Eyebrow Pencil and Powder Duo. So I'm really excited about these too because I've heard of these before. I actually have a sample size of this that broke, so I was really excited to be getting a full-size product. So each month there's like a theme going on with the bags. So this month is show your colors, so it's bright bold colors, and they're popsicles because it's summertime. In February I got hearts. In the spring I got little flowers. In October last year or November it was like kind of like scary Halloween themey bag. So I like that all the bags have a little theme going on, and you can always reuse these bags. They're like little, they have little drawstrings on it like that. So I think I would be using this for traveling and carrying like accessories or things like that. But anyways, I have 5 products here. They picked out the 2 that I told you about, and I picked out 3. They don't provide a little card that has the information of all the products that you got, but you can look at it on your Ipsy account here. And the first product that I already talked about was a Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter in Mo Honey. That's the color. That's the shade, Mo Honey. So let's click Learn to learn a little bit more about this product. Why you'll love it, because it's valued at $36. Is a 7.5 gram. It's the full size, which is what I was saying earlier, which I'm so excited about. It is a highlighter, and this cream to powder highlighter instantly lights up your face with supercharged bronze champagne shimmer pigments that blend without streaking or creasing and last for hours and hours too. It tells you about the brand. I'm gonna read it because I love Rihanna. Rihanna created Fenty Beauty so that people everywhere would be included, focusing on a wide range of traditionally hard to match skin tones, developing formulas that work for all skin types, and pinpointing universal shades. So I love Rihanna's brand. I'm actually gonna do a video about Rihanna's brand after this, so stay tuned for that. But let's just open it so you can see this full-size product that I'm pressed about. And I love Rihanna's packaging. It's so simple, but it's so sleek at the same time. And on the back it's called Mo Honey, and I open it and oh, it's so beautiful. It has the compact mirror, and it says FB for Fenty Beauty right here. Let's take this off so it's no glare. and has Fenty Beauty right there as well. So beautiful. I am so excited to use this. So the second thing that I was so excited about was this Benefit Cosmetic brow eyeliner, eyebrow pencil and powder duo. Now I don't usually use powder on my eyebrows. I use a pencil or a pomade. So I'm excited to try this out here. Triple your styling power. The powder will give you a soft and full look. The wax pencil will give you a clean and shaped look. And the combination of the wax pencil plus the powder will give you a bold and defined look. So it shows the looks on here. It says this 2-in-1 wax pencil and powder is all you need to create 3 essential brow looks. Now this is the product, the brow styler. Okay, they got my color too, because on Ipsy you put a lot of information about yourself and your skincare and your makeup, and so they gave me the color warm medium brown, and I think that would actually be perfect for my eyebrows because they are dark brown. The hair is dark brown. The value for this is $34, so we're already at like $70. This is a full size, 0.88 ounces. The pencil is 100% waterproof for up to 18 hours of smudge-proof brows. And I love that. Okay, and let's read a little bit about this brand. I like that they include that. About the brand, it's founded by 2 sisters in San Francisco. This quirky brand puts the fun back in makeup without sacrificing any of the quality. And y'all know I love me a quality product. And in the box, it has this little thing. It has tips and tricks on, I guess, how to use it, the instructions to use it. Because I've never used a brow pencil that doesn't quite look like a pencil. The tip, like, you know how pointy tip pencils are. So I'm really excited to try this one out. Okay, on to the next thing. This is the thing that I chose. And I actually did a video on this brand last year, or maybe 2 years ago. And that is Teami. This is the Detox Mask. It's a green tea blend. It has matcha, lemongrass, and clay. Using the finest quality ingredients, Teami creates unique loose leaf tea blends and tea powdered skincare products to boost your inner and outer glow. So I love that. I love trying out new masks. So I'm really excited about this. This is a 7-ounce full size product. Its value is $30. It says it's a must for any self-care routine. Made with organic matcha, lemongrass, and bentonite clay. This naturally mineral-rich mask helps rid pores of excess dirt, oil, and debris. It says that you're not gonna get uncomfy, tight post-cleanse feeling with this. This gentle mask keeps the skin's natural moisture levels intact. So really excited to try this out. The next item that I got to choose was this In Transit No Traces rose water and mint infused pads that are supposed to gently remove makeup and daily pollution. The value of this is $27. There are 60 pads in here, and this is considered a full-size product. Perfect for all of your adventures. These travel-friendly cleansing pads make it easy to remove makeup, excess oil, and buildup in a flash while nourishing your skin. It's made from all natural cotton and antibacterial water mint that removes impurities and helps prevent breakouts. So that's really good. About the brand, This Works is the name of the brand. They create clean and targeted sleep, skincare, and wellness solutions that deliver on their promise, working with your natural body clock to support and maximize skin performance 24 hours. Lastly, I got this Tinted Lip Balm. The shade is called For Wednesdays Pink, and y'all know because Mean Girls, they say on Wednesdays we wear pink. I actually have a shirt that says that over there.
On Wednesdays we wear pink.
I'm gonna put that on when I wear this. But the brand is called Belle and Argent, and I chose it because Belle is my nickname. Belle means beautiful, and the shade was really pretty. So let's open it up. Tinted Lip Balm. Ooh, and it's purple. This is my favorite color. Sorry for the glare. Really pretty packaging. Let's open it up, and this is the pretty color. Like I said, it's just a tinted lip balm, so you're not going to get that much color from it, but you'll get a little pop of color to your normal chapsticks, because I do use chapsticks, so this will add a little pretty color to it. This is a full-size product, 2.8 grams. Value is $18. It's not every day that you come across a lip balm that looks as cute as it feels, and this one definitely looks cute. Swipe this BB on lips for a hint of pretty pink color and long-lasting hydration too. And that's what I need, especially in the summertime where my lips be getting dry. I need that hydration. Swipe it on your lips for a sheer wash of color, or layer on multiple coats for a bolder look. So I guess I was wrong. If you layer this on, you can get a bolder look. This is vegan and cruelty free. And it says about the brand, they're known for their non-toxic and luxurious cosmetics inspired by art. So let's calculate how much this bag is worth. So we got the Fenty Beauty uses $36, the brow pencil $34, the Detox Mask $30. That's $145 worth of product. For 5 products, I think that is a pretty, well, it's a pretty good deal because I got it for free, but I think these glam bags cost like $30 something. So I think you're definitely get a bang for your buck with this alone, because this is something that I have already owned. This Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter, something I already own, it's worth $36. And if you only paid $30 for this bag, or like me, I got it for free, I think it's worth it. This is probably my favorite month's bag. Like, I'm really excited to be using all of these products. If you're interested in getting your own Ipsy subscription, I think I have a link, so I'll leave that in the description box below. Go ahead and click on that. We'll both get something. So go ahead, you'll get a little discount. I get a little discount for the future. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this Ipsy Glam Bag haul with my beautiful bold colored bag for the summer. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Also click the subscribe button and the bell to be notified whenever I post. And until the next post, I will see you guys later. Bye.